So things did not work out the way that I thought they would. I only just got back home after getting my cornrows done. I'm gonna take a bath. 1 + 1 is 2, but something ain't right. Okay, so I have been struggling with doing this video, so I just decided, since I'm going to work tomorrow and I am going to put on my wig, I might as well do it now on camera. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do my simple everyday wig installation. Like, this is my everyday wig. So I use my Got2b Glued blasting free spray. I don't know if this is the one that I got in South Africa or the US. Yeah, one of those. So, but I know you can get one at my Clicks, at Discam. So yeah, you should be good. Okay, I've been trying to find my stockings that I put over my hair, but I can't, so I'm gonna use this old one, which has a few holes in it, but it's all good. Nobody's gonna see it in any case. I've already based my scalp. I don't know if you can see, but I've already based my scalp. I know that people sort of use edge control, but I mean, guys, I barely have a hairline, if at all. So, and perhaps, you know, there's a better way that I could be doing this, but this is how I do it, especially when I'm not really trying to make like a real huge effort, especially for work, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter all that much what my hair looks like. I mean, I need to be presentable, but nobody really cares. Well, of course, except me. It's so weird doing this on camera. Usually I just like do it, but now I'm just feeling all over the place. Filming is crazy. And I should be looking at my camera, but I keep looking at my screen. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. You will need your Got2b glue spray. You will need a hair dryer. You will need your wig. You will need your stocking cap if you're gonna use it. Sometimes I don't, honestly. You're gonna need a hairbrush. You might need a what do they call these combs again? Rat tail comb. Yes, rat tail comb, I believe. You're gonna need that. I'm using this HSI Professional argan oil heat protector. It's a bit cold. Well, not a bit cold, it's actually really cold. Just okay. So that's what I do. I mean, look, I'll be messy about it. I think I'm just nervous because I don't usually do this on camera, but yeah. It dries fairly quickly. I like to do like 2 or 3 layers. Christ. I'm so messy with this right now. I don't know why this keeps happening. Careful not to spray the stuff into your eyes, guys. It stings. So I usually do this to kind of gauge where I want my wig to lay. Okay. So it's kind of gluing down there already, but not entirely. But yeah, so then for the last layer, which I'm gonna stick the glued wig down, I do it in sections. I'm so messy! Side note, I don't wait for the glue to completely dry before pressing the lace down. I just wait until it gets tacky, and then I press the lace down. It's okay if you get some of the glue onto your hairline because you can easily wash it off with water. Okay, then the other half. The other half. Okay. Make sure that you keep checking that you're placing your wig down where you intended to. So whatever glue is on the outskirts of the lace, I just like kind of wipe away with a damp cloth because it just comes off that easily. But yeah, that's essentially how I glue my wigs down. And then I just use like a scarf. It's my favorite. Use this scarf or any scarf really, and just tie it down for a couple of minutes while I style their hair. Okay. But this hair is so good. I bleached it myself. I hate leaving hair on hairbrushes, so like every time I comb, brush out my hair, I always clear it out. But I don't feel like doing the whole concealer situation. I'm gonna be wearing a hard hat because I'm working on site, so it doesn't really matter. Nobody's gonna see. Yeah. If I decide to straighten it out or like curl it, I'll do it in the morning. Yeah. The glue comes off really easily with water, so sometimes I take it off by mistake. So this is literally how I put my wig back on every day, most days. Yeah. Let's just take off the scarf just so y'all see what it looks like. That's it. And like I said, if you see the little bit of glue there on the outskirts, you can just like wipe it away with a damp cloth. But yeah, that is essentially how I glue down my wigs for work. Yeah, I think I might straighten it or curl it because I don't like the way that it looks right now. Yep. Okay, so I clearly went off camera and straightened my hair. But I didn't go like bone straight, just a little so I look presentable. But yeah, that is how I put my wigs on. Yeah, I think perhaps like when I have something going on, maybe an event that I'm attending or a wedding or a birthday party or whatever, I can do I can show you guys how I do my hair for those type of occasions. But like for every day, that's literally how I put my wigs on, and it's just so it feels secure and it looks decent. But yeah, I know that some people like use concealer as well, the foundation, to kind of match the lace, but my lace is doing well enough for me not to want to, you know, put all that stuff on it, because then I'll have to wash it a lot sooner than I would like to. So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.